1, 2, 3. Tapioca. I don't think we've done that before.
Tapioca.
Rare Bird Show presents Tapioca. Is it good? Don't lie.
I'm not gonna lie to you about Mama's recipe now that she's dead. This is her legacy.
Sometimes it was good and sometimes it was bad. Just like Mama.
Mama was always good.
Mama sometimes could be rough.
Mom was always good. She treated us like we were the most beautiful stars in the sky. And her love was like clouds that caressed us.
Treat like you like.
You was her favorite, Dennis.
Sweet baby Dennis.
Sweet baby Dennis. I'm gonna make a pudding sweeter than my baby Dennis.
We'll see how sweet this pudding is. There you go.
Pretty good? Pretty good.
It's good. It's a fitting legacy for Mom.
Fitting legacy? When you taste that tapioca, when you taste that tapioca pudding, it should be the most amazing feeling you've ever had. That's the kind of legacy she deserves.
Dennis.
I just haven't gotten over her death.
Dennis, don't get too angry. You're gonna sweat all your moisture out.
Just like Mama always feared.
She always said, be sure you hydrate.
That's why this pudding is so watery, probably. Less water next time.
I just made it according to the card. I followed the card letter to letter. I even overpaid for the tapioca like Mama did. Even though I knew I could get a better deal in Koreatown. They call it boba.
Koreatown?
Mm-hmm.
Mama said never go to Koreatown. How do you even know about Koreatown?
Mama could live on with a less watery, less runny pudding.
If Mama heard you talking like this, she would die again.
If Mama saw you crying, she'd die again.
Don't tell Mama. She'll be upset that I'm losing my moisture.
No, it's okay, because Mama's moved on now. It's okay.
Mama's in heaven, Dennis.
Well, bring it.
You bring it to me.
Bring it.
Bring it on. Here.
Hi. Your turn now, bitch.
You call that pie?
Yes. Bring your version. Mine has crust. Mine's in a tin. Mine is fruit filling. What's your version?
Same thing, but warmed. Eat that pie.
You don't eat pies at the
You
fair.
do.
You don't eat pies at the fair. You eat pies outside the fair. At the fair, it's all about looks and threats.
You eat my pie. My pie is hot and good.
You're talking about this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This pie right here.
The pie we put on the table
Yes.
between the two of us.
Yes.
All right. Well, my pie is delightful. It's got mysterious stone fruits in it. Peaches.
What's a stone fruit?
It's like a peach or a nectarine.
So peaches or nectarines? It's got peaches and nectarines.
Smoke fruit.
Excuse me, the judges were wondering when they could try the
Soon.
pie.
Soon.
All right,
Okay.
back off,
All right.
Bossy. Go carpet bag some other fair.
All right.
My pie has mixed berries. A mix.
Oh. You're talking about this pie right
Yeah.
here. This pie?
It's got 2 berries. 2 kinds of berries. A bunch of. It's strawberry blueberry pie.
I'm sorry. The judges wanted me to inform you that the fair closes at 11 p.m.
They can wait.
10:50.
My pie is worth holding on to.
Linda, you've been pointing away from the table.
No, down to the table. This here, this pie. This sloppy hot pie. Hot and good. Not like your crusty pie.
Judge number 3 says he would like some sloppy pie. Here's his number.
Well, I guess that means you won the contest without the contest even beginning.
My pie is that tasty. She's looking at the horizon. What's a horizon?
What?
What does horizon mean?
What kind of education did you get?
None.
None?
You wouldn't let me.
Well, you had work to do, boy.
So much work, I don't know nothing. Calm.
These cattle ain't gonna watch themselves.
What's cattle?
You have got to be bleeding kidding me.
I never talk all day.
Cattle.
Thems?
These. All these.
Yeah, all
the ones
them.
that we've been herding across this great big
I never heard nothing. I'm nice. I'm nice to them.
Stevie.
I love
Stevie, them's is cattle.
Yeah, them's all of that. And this?
That is not cattle.
Whoa.
Stevie, you know
I'm
exactly.
nice. That's all I needs to know. Nice to them's, nice to that. Looking up and respectful of you.
Well, Stevie, thank you for setting the chairs by the campfire.
Theses?
These is.
These
the chairs.
Oh, I thought these were the campfire.
No. Campfire burns. Campfire fire.
I haven't said anything in a week. I never learned words. Me and my wife, we're just simple folks. We grew up in the land and there.
Stevie, sit down.
On the fire?
No, yes, on fire. That is not your wife, Stevie.
I read about it. Me and my wife.
What makes
Spend all your time. Spend all your
Makes no
time.
business about your wife.
Spend all your time loving and looking into each other's eyes. You come home to her. You brush her hair, you cuddle. You watch TV together. Wife. Am I pronouncing it right?
Tapioca! Great work out there. Great breasts. Great breasts. A+ breasts. But some of the men are complaining that you're lacks depth.
Fuck those guys.
No.
Fuck them.
No.
Did you see how many goddamn tips? These tips think for themselves.
No,
and
that's...
speak for themselves and slap my ass for themselves.
I don't want to get you upset, Tapioca.
I'm already
I don't want to get you upset.
I'm very perturbed.
But I just, some of the men, not all, some of the men were complaining that your shakes were simplistic. You know, like community theater stripping. They're just saying, maybe, add another layer, maybe spend a little more time exploring subtext.
You've seen my routine. Need I demonstrate it again to prove how wrong these men are? If I will demonstrate, you sit down.
Work it!
Cream pie, you watch your mouth.
Show her how it's
I'm
done.
going to show her how it's done.
Get to the core.
Great, this is great. Yeah, yes, I'm hypnotized. Now I'm gonna come over a bridge. You're a bridge, I see, yes. It's just the...
I thought the narrative in that was exquisite. I felt like it represented all kinds of struggles, the economy. I was getting all kinds of messages.
Cream pie. Quiet. Tapioca. Cream pie has one interpretation, but unfortunately, cream pie isn't a paying customer, all right?
Yeah, I'm a critic.
Drive, apes, drive!
What do you think she meant by that?
I think she was being degrading who we are.
Yeah. Let's go find out.
Okay, apes!
Why are you calling us apes?
Because you are apes.
What do you mean by it?
Humans is apes.
Oh.
Idiot. Did you ever take no anthropology course?
No?
No.
Well, apes is like monkeys but without a tail. Like they're cladistically related, but they ain't the same thing.
Cladistically?
Yeah, like a clade. No taxonomy?
No, probably not.
Oh damn. It's like some simple shit, you know?
Were you insulting us or not?
No, I was just saying, hey, apes, drive. Like, get in that car and enjoy your primitive aspect, you know?
Michael, she called us
primitive.
She called us an idiot earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
We don't
did.
have-
What do you mean by that?
We don't have tails.
Idiots?
I mean,
No, that was
id.
it.
I mean, like your ego, and your super ego. That's part of your brain. I'm just saying, you use in the lowest form of your brain to do your impulse stuff. That's cool. It's regulated by the frontal lobe.
Look, we're not smart like you.
No,
Okay?
definitely not.
Vinegar.
That's all right. I fuck dumb guys for money.
What do you think she meant by that?
I don't know.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by?
I mean that if you give me some currency, like paper bills that say in God we trust, not that I believe in that, but that's what's on the paper. You know, it's a currency standard that used to be represented by a gold standard, but no gold no more. You know what I'm saying? There's no truth for us. But anyway, you give me some of that paper money with a dead president on it, I'll open up my legs and serve pie all night.
really comfortable hanging out in Mom's closet right now.
Dennis, we all want you to be able to move on, to be able to grow.
But all of her nighties still hanging here, and I feel them against my skin. And it's very comforting.
Dennis, did you love your mother or her nighties?
What are you... Mom, of course.
Right. And Mom's not in there. Mom's in your heart. Mom's among us.
Dennis! Dennis!
Yeah, Mom?
Bring Mama a gown.
Oh, not this one, not this one.
Oh no, more hairs come out.
Mom, that's okay. I'll just put it with the other hair. I'll put it with the other hair.
Oh, good.
Here, you ready? Lift up your arms. Lift up your arms, Mama.
I think I broke a bone.
Dennis, is this vest made out of hair? Is it mohair?
Yes, mohair.
You're wearing it every day, and it's getting sweaty, and
I don't have money for a dry cleaner.
Okay.
And this can only be dry cleaned.
You know, once hair leaves my head, it's bulletproof. Do something important with it, Dennis. I fear I don't have long for...
Freeze! Freeze! I heard your mama had all kinds of gold stockpiled in here. Where is it?
Fuck you, evil man.
Give me the fucking gold, kid!
The gold's right here.
What do you mean by that? Bring me some of that creamy white stuff. I want to taste that sweet, creamy white stuff.
You mean ejaculate, right?
I'm talking about tapioca pudding here, fucker. I want that sweet, salty cum.
Mr. Ominski, usually people come to the sperm bank to make donations.
I'm here to make a withdrawal. I want to take my currency orally. Track of it.
Mr. Ominski, if it's...
Get me one of them slips, I'll sign my name.
We're going to have to
I'll
charge you...
empty the bank out.
We're going to have to charge you double, Mr. Ominski.
Charge me, I got money, and I want to die doing what I love.
Vials of ejaculate.
Apparently. Strut. Strut, apes.
What do you think he meant by that?
I'm not quite absolutely yet, sir.
Drag those knuckles around, you slutty little beasts.
We're getting insulted. We've been called apes and sluts. I don't know which is worse.
And beasts.
Oh. Let's find out.
Nice smart car, idiots.
Well, you know, the fact that we have a smart car, I think makes us smarter. They wouldn't have put smart in
Yeah.
You're not smart enough to bathe, shave your armpits, not have a beard, wear deodorant. I'm calling you hippies primordial Neanderthal idiots.
Primordial Neanderthal. What's that mean?
Where did you go to college?
To fry?
you ever taken anthropological cultural studies of non-gendered ecology conformism?
No.
At DeVry?
No. You took soldering basics and technological wiring.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. What are you going to do with that?
Fix things that exist.
And I had a super good time, guys. I had a super good time. It was really great.
Yeah,
We did too.
we did too.
Super
Right?
good. It's great.
We should do this again sometime.
Yeah, sometime we should do this.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know if this is weird. Are you guys horses?
Are you sorry?
No.
If I had a nickel for
Yeah.
every time,
No,
I
no,
would
it's
ask.
totally.
No, you gotta ask.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's super
Okay.
weird. It's just like, you know, my dad kind of got,
What, he
My
warned
dad
you
kind
about
of-
guys like us?
Yeah.
Horses,
no.
or not.
Yeah, we're totally.
Guys like those.
Those, like those.
Yeah, no, you guys, that's really cool. I mean, it's just like horses are a herd animal, and you guys came together, and every time there was a loud noise, you would look, and it was like, are they horses? And it was, no, that's so weird.
We're just close friends.
Just close friends,
Do you
yeah.
guys want to, like, come in for a second?
Are there stairs?
Yeah, the stairs.